Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to speed up your Lendio loan approval. If you want faster funding through Lendio, the key is preparation and accuracy. And here's how to speed things up. First step, log into your Lendio account and start your loan application. Gather all required documents in advance, such as bank statements, tax returns, and identifications. Now, when filling out the applications, you want to double check all entries for accuracy because errors may cause delays. Go ahead and upload documents directly in the documents section as soon as prompted, and be ready to verify business details like EIN, revenue, and ownership percentage. Respond quickly to any Lendios or lender follow-up emails. The sooner you reply, the faster your file moves. If available, you want to enable bank account linking for instant financial verifications instead of having to upload PDFs. Keep your phone handy because sometimes lenders will call for quick clarification. By being proactive and responsive, you can often cut approval time from days to mere hours. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.